She is studying algebra. She must be a genius. He looks too young. He can't be 40. She is wearing a white coat. She may be the doctor. As you can see, today we're going to practice speculations. Welcome to Lesson 12.
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello, welcome to your Language Studio. I am Teacher Sari, and in these videos we're going to continue practicing your English. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the materials that we upload weekly. Let's start. Speculations. When we speculate, we need to understand that we are only guessing about the reality. We are not describing situations. To speculate, we could use modal verbs. Listen. Must. We use the modal verb must plus a simple form of a verb when we are 100% sure of our speculation. Listen. Where is Charles? He must be in the cafeteria. He said he wanted some coffee. Look at Sam. She looks very sleepy. She must be reading that boring book. Can't. We can use the modal verb can't when we are 100% sure of the impossible. Listen. This can't be John's dog. He doesn't like animals. Mary can't be preparing food. She doesn't like to cook. Could, may, or might. We use these modals when we are 50% sure of our speculation. Listen. He could be the painter. He has the paint and the brushes. We shouldn't call Mark. He may be sleeping. Remember, speculation means that we're only guessing about a situation. We are not describing the reality. Now practice using must, can't, could, may, or might to speculate about situations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!